Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 14. The oxidation state of chlorine in NaClO3, which is sodium chlorate, is A plus 1, B plus 3, C plus 5, D plus 6. So we're calculating the oxidation state of chlorine in this compound, sodium chlorate. Now the first thing to understand is that it is a neutral compound, and in neutral compounds all the oxidation numbers add up to 0. So by the time you add oxidation number of sodium, of chlorine and of oxygen, it's supposed to add up to 0 because it is a neutral compound. Now you know it is a neutral compound because it carries no charge, so it is neutral. Now, so sodium is a group 1 element, so its oxidation number is plus 1. That is the rule for it. And then oxygen, is oxidation number is minus 2, except of course in peroxides and fluorides. That's the only exception where oxygen is not minus 2. So these are rules. Now that we know their oxidation numbers, that is for sodium and for oxygen, we are searching for that of chlorine, so let's call that X. So we substitute our values. Now sodium is 1 plus 1, so 1 plus chlorine, which is unknown to us, X, then minus, that is plus minus, which is minus 2, multiplied by 3 because you have 3 atoms of oxygen, equal to 0. So minus 2 times 3 is minus 6, and 1 plus minus 6 is minus 5. So X minus 5 is equal to 0. So you take this to the other side, X is equal to plus 5. Plus 5, that is chlorine. The oxidation number of chlorine is plus 5, and plus 5 is C. This is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.